Recipe of Kashmiri
Take
tea.
4 glasses of chilled water. Add 6 cardamom, cinnamon, 1 inch, 1 star anise, tarika pool, and 2 tablespoons of green tea. Cook well and keep stirring. While cooking, after it comes to a boil, add a pinch of sweet soda. Continue cooking until 1 cup of kahwa remains. Now remove it from the stove. Now take 1 cup of milk in another pan. Now add 1 spoon of prepared kahwa in it. Add sugar according to your taste. Now it's time to present it. Pour tea into cup. Garnish with almonds and pistachios on top. Hot pink tea is ready.